A North Texas divorce doesn't have to mean months of courtroom conflict and mounting legal bills. When both spouses can reach an agreement, they can often move forward with far less time, stress, and expense. That agreement still has to move through your local court. Dallas, Tarrant, Collin, and Denton follow the same Texas divorce law, but each county has its own courts, filing steps, and procedures. Those local differences can begin before you even file. In Dallas County, one spouse must generally have lived in the county for 90 days, and in Texas for 6 months. In Collin County, a final hearing is not automatically placed on the calendar. The filer needs to contact the court to schedule it or submit the required paperwork for the court's process. And in Dallas, people filing without a lawyer may need to leave their paperwork for review at least 24 hours before they appear in court. For a divorce to be uncontested, both spouses need to agree on how property and debts will be divided, along with custody, support, and visitation if children are involved. Then the final decree of divorce needs to reflect that full agreement so the judge can enter the terms both of you have already worked out. Once the agreement is taking shape, the case officially begins when one spouse files an original petition for divorce with the district clerk. In an agreed divorce, the other spouse will often sign a notarized waiver of service, which lets the case move ahead without formal delivery of court papers. But if your spouse won't cooperate, the citation must be formally served by a constable or a certified civil process server. Texas law generally requires a 60-day waiting period after filing before a divorce can be granted. Certain family violence cases may qualify for an exception. If formal service is used, the return must be on file for at least 10 days, and the respondent's answer is due the Monday after 20 days. Before finalization, complete the decree. Depending on the court, prove up by affidavit or attend a short hearing. When you file, you'll usually need the signed petition, copies, and filing fees. Keep your case number and court number on every document you file after that. In Dallas County, submit the Department of Vital Statistics Austin reporting form before prove-up, so the court has the required reporting paperwork ready for finalization. With the paperwork ready, file the petition, handle the waiver or formal service, wait through the required deadlines, then present the completed final decree to the judge for approval. Use Texas e-File to submit your documents, then follow your county's specific instructions before you hit submit. That extra check can prevent rejected paperwork and keep your agreed case moving. A Texas-focused document preparation service can also help you organize the right forms and reduce confusion without turning an agreed divorce into a courtroom fight. Remember the path. Reach a full agreement, file the right documents, give proper notice, and allow the 60-day waiting period to run. That preparation is how an agreed divorce can replace courtroom conflict with a clearer, more efficient next chapter. Whether you're in Dallas, Fort Worth, Plano, Frisco, Denton, Arlington, Irving, or elsewhere in North Texas, our goal is simple. Make an agreed divorce easier to understand, easier to navigate, and more affordable. Visit ReadyDivorceService.com to learn more. Divorce simplified, life reclaimed.